Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete a message on Messenger app group chat on PC. Let's go through the steps to effectively manage your messages within a group conversation. Step 1. Start by opening messenger.com on your PC to access your Messenger account and group chats. Step 2. Open the specific group conversation where the message or photo you want to delete is located. Step 3. Right-click on the message or photo that you wish to remove within the group chat. Step 4. From the options that appear, select Remove for You to delete the message or photo from your own view only. Step 5. To confirm the deletion, click on Remove to permanently erase the message or photo from your chat history within the group. By following these steps, you can easily delete a message or photo on Messenger app group chat on your PC. Removing messages for yourself helps maintain a clutter-free and organized group chat environment. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope this guide helps you effectively manage your messages within group conversations on Messenger app on PC. Enjoy a more streamlined messaging experience by utilizing the Remove for You feature in Messenger group chats.